Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and these pack of workout shorts by Lempue are a must-have. My favorite thing about them is that I can use them for so many things. Of course, the main purpose is for working out, and they do their job well because they are very comfortable when I'm working out. They're not restrictive of movement, they stretch, so whatever exercise I'm doing, I feel very comfortable doing it. I'm always cool when working out because of the material is very light and very breathable, which also helps because any sweat dries super quickly. On top of just using it for working out, I also use it for swimming or even to go out on a hot day. I think the black shorts go well with any outfit. So if I want to use them for going out, these look great too. I like that it has zipper pockets so nothing falls off out of my shorts while I'm working out or sitting. Everything stays put. I have been enjoying using them, and that is my point of view.